Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy and filling dal soup for dinner. This lentil soup is loaded with vegetables and a perfect filling meal in your weight loss journey. It's easy to make and nutrient rich. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 1/4 cup yellow mung dal, 1/4 cup red masoor dal. I'm adding in some water. And I'm going to allow the dals to get soaked. With regard to the soaking time, it's always ideal to soak dals for a longer time. Anywhere between 1 hour to 4 hours would be ideal. The longer you soak the dal, the more easily digestible it will be. That is, if you have noticed having any digestive issues like gas, indigestion or bloating when consuming dals, it's always ideal to soak them a bit longer. The phytates in the dals will get released by soaking. Phytates are nutrient inhibitors which may prevent nutrient absorption. So I always recommend to soak dals for a longer period. If you are making this for dinner, you can soak it in the afternoon. So that way you get a little extra soaking period. Okay, now the dals are nicely soaked. So I'm going to rinse it a couple of times and then I'm going to add it onto a strainer. Into my pressure cooker, I'm adding in the soaked and rinsed dals. Into this, I'm adding in half of a green chilli, 3 cloves of garlic, and ½ inch ginger. Half of an onion roughly chopped, ½ cup roughly chopped pumpkin, also known as kaddu, ½ cup carrot roughly chopped. I'm using 1 medium-sized carrot. ½ cup roughly chopped bottle gourd, also known as lauki. I'm adding coriander stalk. So this is 1 sprig of coriander. Note that I'm also adding the root along with the stalk. So what I've done is I've washed and rinsed the root thoroughly. The reason why I'm adding the stalk and the roots along is this will help to give an amazing flavor to this soup. If you can't get the root of the coriander leaves, you can at least use only the stalk. So into this I'm adding in the stalks along with the root. 1/4 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. 1/4 teaspoon jeera powder, also known as roasted cumin powder. ½ teaspoon turmeric powder. ½ teaspoon pink Himalayan salt or as needed. Add in 3 cups of water. Give it a good mix. Turn on the flame. Cover it with the lid and pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles. After 3 to 4 whistles, turn off the flame and allow the pressure cooker to depressurize by itself. Once the pressure has depressurized by itself, open the cooker and then remove the stalk of the coriander leaves. With an immersion blender or a stick blender, I'm blending it really well. Make sure all the vegetables are nicely blended. Once blended, turn on the flame and give this a good mix. If you would like your soup to be slightly thinner, you can increase water, and if you would like your soup to be little more thicker, reduce water by ½ cup. I prefer my dal soup to be of this consistency. Into this I'm adding in ½ teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder, some fresh coriander leaves finely chopped, and I'm giving this a good mix. You can increase or decrease black pepper powder to suit your taste. At this stage you can check salt. If you feel you need more salt, you can add in, and if you would like more spiciness, you can add in finely chopped green chilies, but avoid using them if you're making this for children. And once it comes to a boil, turn off the flame, and once it has been turned off, I'm squeezing in half a lemon. Give this a good mix and my vegetable dal soup is ready. And lastly, just a sprinkle of black pepper powder, and my super healthy vegetable dal soup is ready to serve. You can enjoy this as a filling meal for dinner. So guys, do try this healthy dal soup recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.